Hi dear Libras, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading from 20th of June till 30th of June, okay? Keep this in mind, this is a journal of reading. This might or might not resonate with you and the roles can be reversed anytime, okay? This is the situation here. Let's start your reading, okay? Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Libra. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Libra. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, Ace of Pentacles. So I feel like right now your partner is starting something, might be a business, might be a job, might be there is something related to finances that they are starting, or it could be something related to this relationship as well. We will clarify it further. But this person right now is focused on their work, focused on their money, focused on their pentacles. And I feel like this person is working really hard on their project, really hard on their money, really hard on their business. This is the thing right now. I feel like this person is more focused on their finances, on their business right now than the personal life thing, but I will clarify further. It could also be the reverse that I'm saying right now. Clarification is more important. Let's clarify further. What is their current energy? Eight of Swords, Ace of Wands, and the Page of Cups. Okay, so I feel like this person is starting something brand new in their life. I feel like this person is internally very conflicted. They are in some kind of mental jail. Mental jail. They are thinking like nothing is working out in my favor. Nothing is the universe is against me, and everything is sucking right now. Nothing is in my favor. So I feel like this person is going to start their life all over again with passion, with lots of passion, and they're developing new feelings for you. So I feel like this relationship is never going to be the same again. This relationship is going to start again. Okay, and this person is going to start this connection again with passion, with enthusiasm. And I feel like you guys are connected with each other through work as well for some of you. And this person is developing new feelings for you, Libra. This person is developing new feelings for you, and for some of you, kids are also involved in this connection. This is the thing right now. This is their current energy, Libra. Let's see what your current energy is, Libra. Your current energy right now is, let's see, Libra. Your current energy right now is, let's see, what's your current energy? Eight of Cups. So I feel like right now you are just walking away. So I feel like if not physically, you are just trying to walk away from somebody. Okay, you are trying to walk away, and you are very fearful. The moon is here, and it's sad, and it is number eight as well. So it's a struggleful situation for you. Okay, really very struggleful situation for you, and I feel like you are trying to walk away from somebody or trying to walk away from something that is no longer working for you, that is no longer serving you well, and you are feeling like this is the right time. This is the right time to step back. This is the right time to just step away, not step back. Okay, and just walk away from this situation. At least energetically you are feeling like this. Okay, if you are not walking away physically from somebody, energetically you are feeling like that you are walking away from someone. Okay, because I feel like that relationship or the connection is not working out for you, so that's why you are just going somewhere else and you are trying to seek the answers and the truth from within. Okay, so this is the situation here. The Knight of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Three of Pentacles. Okay, so I feel like you are walking away from someone, or you are walking away from love in general. So I feel like Libras, you are walking away from love. This is the situation here because you are taking baby steps. You are more focused on your work. You are more focused on your business. You are trying to be financially independent, financially stable in your life. Okay, and you're trying to work really hard. This is all about Pentacles that you care about right now. You are just focused on your work. You are just focused on yourself, your looks, your self-worth, your health, your care, and you are not, slowly but steadily you are just trying to put in the effort, put in the energy for yourself. This is the situation here right now, Libras. Okay, that's why you are just walking away from any kind of love connection or love relationship right now. At least energetically that you are feeling like that. Let's see what this person feels for you. Let's see what this person feels for you, Libra. Let's see what this person feels for you. Knight of Cups. This person is carrying lots of emotions for you. but these emotions are not mature enough to make this relationship work out. So I feel like they're carrying lots of passionate energy for you, passionate emotions for you. Okay, they want to offer you this cup, but this is not a stable energy, this is not a mature energy. Okay, this is like a up and down connection, this is like an up and down emotions. So sometimes they're very passionate, they're really passionate about you, they are really in love with you, and the other time they're like, no, I don't want you in my life. This is the situation here, this is their feelings for you. Duality is here. Let's clarify further. Four of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. So again, lots of starting is there from their side. They want to start this connection all over again. Okay, or it might also be possible that there is somebody new coming in for you, and that somebody is putting in lots of efforts and lots of energy to work to make this connection work out between you guys. Okay, and I feel like this person is holding back. This person is trying to control the emotions. This person is trying to control the situation. Control freak, total control freak. But this person is really very passionate about it. They are acting flirty, they are, trying to act flirty, they are trying to look good, they are trying to look attractive, they are trying to flirt with you, and they want to start a connection with you. They want to, start some send you some kind of offer, send you some kind of message. I feel like this is some kind of flirty energy, this is some kind of sexy energy that is coming in towards you. Might be this person is not that much interested in the committed relationship right now, but surely they are they are, connected more on a physical level to you. This is the thing here. Might be they just need a physical relationship with you right now. This is the situation here, and they are not thinking much about the emotional aspect of their life. Okay, this is the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you, Libra. Chariot. Okay, this person wants you to be successful. Oh, Libra, this is a very good energy. This person wants you to be successful. This person wants you to move on towards your goal very determined, in a very determined way. This person, all this person wants from you is to be successful. Okay, and move forward, move on from the past, move on from something that is no longer working out for you. This is the situation with you, with them. This is what they want from you. Wow. So I feel like all this person wants from you is, right now they feel like you should move on from them, and at one point of time you should realize their worth. You should realize that you carry lots of love for them. You could be dealing with a Taurus, and this person wants you to realize after some time that you have lots of love for them, and you and them have a, a very soulful connection, and this could change into marriage after some time. And this person wants you to be, right now, be spiritual. Right now this person wants you to be silent. That right now this person wants you to be in this zone of, tapping into your energy, be spiritual, being into your instinctive side, listen to your intuition. This is the thing. So I feel like right now this person wants you to succeed, want you to move on from anything that is that is no longer working out for you. And after moving on, this person wants you to realize that there's love in this connection, that you love them, that there's a potential of marriage in this connection. This is the situation here, and they want you to listen to your intuition. Okay, this is the situation here, Libras. Let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June. Let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June. Let's see. Okay, Queen of Pentacles. So Libra, I feel like this person is coming in towards you with a stable energy, with a practical energy, with a very mature energy. This is the situation. This could also mean that they will, shift whole of their focus on themselves, on self-care, self-love, self-healing, on their pentacles, on their earthly matters, on their business, on their money. I feel like both of you right now are, focused on something else. Not somebody else, something else. That's a very different thing. The Empress, the Queen of Cups, and the Five of Cups. Yes. So I feel like this person will realize that you are not going to, listen to them, or you are not going to put in that much effort, put in that much energy from your side. So they will eventually turn their back towards you, and they will eventually work on themselves, work on their looks, work on their creativity, work on their projects, and they will be, emotionally stable. They're not going to, uh, poke you again and again, and tell you again and again that they want you, that they want you, that they want you. No. And I feel like this will make them really sad. Okay, this is going to make them really sad, but I feel like this person is acting very mature. You can expect maturity coming in towards you, practicality coming in towards you, and this person is going to be really good with you. This is the situation here, because I feel like deep down this person is having lots of emotions for you, because but you are not giving any kind of signal from your side to be in this connection anymore, and that is why this person is making a decision to just move away from you as of now, and just shift their focus on themselves and their work. And that is why this person is coming, although I feel like this person is not coming for you, for lots of the Libras, but for others of you, I feel like this person is coming to you, and they are just going to act very very mature, very very practical, and that's a shy of relief for you. Okay, this is the situation here, Libra. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. Yeah, let me pull a guidance card for you as well for this 10 days. These are amazing cards, and these are really really guiding me really well in my life. Okay, let's see what's coming towards you. The message that is coming for you is the Magician. Good. So Archangel Raziel. So you can manifest the life you want. What you need will magically appear. Successful beginnings. Yes. Okay, so I feel like you're walking away from any kind of problems, any kind of emotional blockages right now, and you're walking into a life of magician. Good. So this is your message. If you want to see this message, very clear cut message for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight. God bless you. Namaste. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste. God bless you. Bye.